In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an n8n workflow to monitor website uptime and send email alerts. We'll assemble a simple, reliable checker that runs on a schedule, tests each site, logs the results to Google Sheets, and emails you if anything goes down. We'll begin by adding a manual trigger node and naming it Run Trigger. This lets you execute the workflow on demand while you're building and testing, so you can verify each part before automating it. It's the safest way to make sure your logic and connections behave the way you expect. Next, add a schedule trigger. Set it to the interval you prefer, every minute, hour, or day, so the workflow runs automatically and checks your websites without manual input. Choose a cadence that balances freshness with rate limits and resource use, especially if you're checking a long list of URLs. Add a set node and rename it URLs. Here, enter the list of websites you want to monitor. Think of this as your source of truth. You can add, remove, or update addresses here whenever your monitoring list changes. Keeping this list tidy makes the rest of the workflow easier to maintain. Add a split-out node named split-out to break that list into individual items. Instead of handling everything at once, the workflow will process one website at a time for clarity and control. Now add a split in batches node and rename it buccal URLs. This creates the loop that repeats the same actions for each site, step by step, until the whole list is processed. It ensures consistent handling of each URL. Insert an HTTP request node and call it request. This node pings each website. If the request succeeds, the site is considered up. If it fails, the site might be down or unreachable. Set a reasonable timeout and method. A simple GET usually works well, and handling non-2xx responses as failures keeps your results accurate. Add a Google Sheets node named Success to record working websites as new rows in your sheet, giving you a running log of healthy checks that you can review later. Add another Google Sheets node named Error to capture websites that failed to respond, so issues are easy to spot and track over time. Add a Summarize node named Total to count how many sites are working and how many are down. These totals will be included in your alert. Add a Code node named Code to gather the failed websites into a clean list that can be inserted into the message body. Add another split-out node named splitout2 to separate each failed website, ensuring the notification lists them clearly. Finally, add a Gmail node named Send a Message. Configure the recipient and subject, and compose the email to include the failed websites, the number down, and the number working. Test with Run Trigger, then let the schedule trigger take over. Your automated uptime monitor is ready.